Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogtober 2018. Today's episode 15. It's actually Sunday for me. It's Monday for you. I'm still in the kitchen. Fly Lady Zone 2 is the kitchen. So I figured, you know what, it's the last day of the week. Let me spend some time doing things that I've been procrastinating in the kitchen. Namely, holes that need to be patched, paint that needs to be taken care of, and then the darn cables of the TV. Thought Scott was gonna do it, but he didn't do it, so I might as well just do it now and get it over with. I'm gonna try to spruce up the corner that's behind the camera, so stick around. So this is what I'm talking about. We're in my kitchen. Well, you guys all know the corner. Okay, so I have the TV there, and I have the two cables that go to that plug here. So what I'm going to do today is finally figure out a way to tame those. And then I have a few things here for stuff that I've removed that's still there. I need to remove the screws and fill up the holes and paint over. And same thing here in that corner. When did I remove those shelves? Like 3 months ago. Remove the little anchors in there, patch and paint. All of this is going to stay here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with those two. This I really like, guys, and then this one I really like too. So I'm keeping them, I just don't know where to put them yet. And then on this side here by my computer, you can see that I have some paint that needs to be patched as well, so I'm gonna do that. And then same thing here, this is where the paper towel roll used to be, and I removed it, so yeah, that needs to be filled out as well. So typical Sunday for me, just gonna try to do some project. Cause listen, this has been procrastinated for so long. It's gotta be taken care of. I just can't take it anymore. I'm looking at those two cables, you know, and then I wanna try to connect them to the other side because I'm constantly having to unplug them to plug in my slow cooker or my kettle. So it's got to be plugged in somewhere else. And I just don't want to see the cables dangling anymore. It's just stupid. So let me get started. Alright, so what kind of tools do I need? I have one extension cord that's going to kind of blend in. It's brown. I have these little staples to make sure the extension cord stays within the corner of the window frame and the wall. And then I needed to get those 3 prongs to 2 prongs adapters because the TV and what else do I have in there? Oh, the firebox from Amazon is a 3 prong, and this here is only 2 prong. So I need to connect the TV and the firebox to that, and then this will go along the wall and go straight into this box right here. I don't know how fascinating this video is going to be, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to zip tie those two together. And of course they're not the same length. Okay. And they're going to go, I'm going to hook them up in the back. And they both get one of these, right? This one is actually a regular. That's the one that's okay. Okay. So now I'm tying this whole bundle here on the arm in the back. Okay, so I put zip ties here to hold this big bundle behind the TV so you can't see it, right? I don't have any cables now dangling from the bottom except for this that I don't know what it is. Okay, done, no more cable. Alright, so what I did was, again, tie up all of the cables onto the arm of the what you call it, the stand, I'm not sure what you call it, the mount. And then I have the wire, the extension wire going like this, and then it goes along here. But then I have this part right here, but I have a plant in that corner, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to start removing all of the anchors that are over here where I used to have the little shelves. I'm going to fill them up and do the same thing on this side with the leftovers of whatever that was. I think that was my 3-tier thing that I got rid of. Patch that and paint. You know, it's really not easy to film from where I'm at. I mean, really, I get like all sorts of weird angles. And then I'm backlit, so you guys can't really see much. But for now, what I'm doing is that I'm basically pulling out the anchors. Right, the little anchors that had the screws that held those shelves. I should go get nose pliers, is probably what I should do. But I'm gonna patch them with the regular putty, so that the whole wall here is patched up and I don't have those little dots on it. I don't know if I want to put anything on the walls anymore. Scott doesn't like it at all, I gotta be honest. He doesn't like the walls being empty in the kitchen. I usually don't, but for some reason in the kitchen I'm okay with it. But he's having a hard time adjusting to nothing on the walls in here. So I don't know, maybe I'll have to find something to fill in. But it's barely, it's not even a foot wide. So what could I possibly put in there? Anyway, let me finish that. I'll be right back when I'm ready to patch everything. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. But anyway, so I remove all the anchors and then I sanded the surface so that I don't have any bump. And I'm just gonna fill those holes. I'll sand them again. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Right here. I'll sand them again and then I'll be ready to paint. I think I have a pint of that green. It's called Grapevine by Bear. I think I have a pint of it downstairs. So on the side right here, this is where the chair that's behind the counter continues to scrape the wall, and some of you mentioned I should get a piece of plexiglass. Quite frankly, I think I need to get better chairs. So I'm just going to sand this real quick. And then patch it a little bit, and I'm going to have to resand it. So I've sanded all of it here and on the other side, and I'm going to paint. We just had lunch actually. I remade that soup, that harvest beef soup. You like it, Scott?
Yeah, I like it. It's good and hearty.
Good and hearty soup. We like it. Trying to open the stupid thing. Yeah, there we go. So I'm pretty happy I'm actually doing this today. I've been procrastinating it for Lord knows how long. But when you finally get to do something you've been procrastinating, you feel pretty accomplished, you know? And it gives you kind of like the little oomph you needed to do all the things. So maybe you two have a little project, not a major project, a little project like this that you procrastinated, and I got you motivated to go ahead and get it done. Because because that was just ridiculous, that cable from the TV dangling. Come on. It should have been taken care of when we installed the TV in the first place, but whatever. What? I'm not looking at you, you're the one looking at me.
You're not looking at me, but you're looking with me, right?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to name names, you know what I'm saying?
Of course not. Why would you do that?
Yeah, exactly. It's amazing what a coat of paint will do. It's totally different. Look in this kitchen. The cat is complaining over there. I don't know what she's complaining about. She just got back home. So the paint is drying, and instead of watching the paint dry, which is what I usually do, I'm going to start editing. You see what I did here? I put a rag with a zip tie. I gotta do something better. I think I'm gonna get like a pool noodle or something, because that's the corner right here that scratches the wall. Anyway, I'm gonna start editing today's video. Actually, it's Sunday, right? And that's the empties video I'm gonna post today. And I have, this one's gonna be Monday. I might film a haul when we come back from Aldi, but I gotta tell you, I really need to quilt. I haven't quilted in 3 weeks. It's driving me nuts. I need to spend some time quilting. I'm not gonna film that unless there's a mega demand for quilting, which I doubt. But if there is, you let me know. Hold on, I need my glasses. But I really need to go quilting. So I'm gonna edit this video. I gotta edit tomorrow's video too, but I'm gonna go quilt in between. Because those are not very long. And this is drying, so I don't know if you can tell, it's still a little wet. What I'm gonna do is pretty much stop here, and then when I come back, I'll have the whole thing clean because it's a big mess right now. I have all the powder from the sanding and stuff. So I gotta clean all of this. I'm gonna put those two prints, this one and this one, right, on the left side of the window over there. These are lithograph and they're signed. I need my glasses. I don't know who the artist is. Ali Stefan is the artist, and I really like them. So I don't know what they were if I got them at the Presbyterian church, but they would look really good on that side. So I no longer have them on the dining room wall. So I'll see you again once this is all dry and the clean and the two prints are on the wall. Okay, see you in a bit. It's the little things, you guys. It's amazing how just a little bit of elbow grease and you have a totally different corner. Look at this. It's a totally different part of the kitchen, and all I did was paint and get rid of that stupid cable that was dangling and put the two prints over there. And I gotta tell you, those two prints, they feel like they were meant to be here. That's all I have to say, because the frame itself is dark green, so it goes with it. I tried to make it match the bottom here of the cabinet. I don't think I need to put anything over there. I got the whole TV nicely dusted and you know, smudged, taken care of and stuff, because we're still in zone 2, so I might as well just do some kitchen stuff I don't do on a regular basis. But all of the cables are tucked in the back, and again it's on the side here, and because I have my plant still in the corner, you can't see the cable that goes from the window to the other side. So, and that plant, you guys remember when I had my appendicitis? Wasn't it last year? Okay, well, I got this from my mother-in-law last year. When I had my appendicitis. Guess what? It's still alive. Amazing. So I'm just keeping the dog biscuits little jar. I've had questions about where I got this. And this is where I keep the little bones. It was a... what you call them, shortbread, a Christmas shortbread thing from the Walkers, I think, shortbread. It doesn't say, but I got it at TJ Maxx, and I think it was like $14. And once we had no more cookies, I decided to put the dog biscuits in it. I have this basket here that should not have this. That's a replacement of those alarms. That's where I keep the cat food. I don't think I'm going to keep it in here or on this counter. The cooker is here for now. I just wanted to show you what the counter looks like without it, but really that's not where it belongs because that's right above the dog crates. I need to find cupboard space for it. So here's another example of something I have procrastinated for, I don't know, 5 months maybe, and it didn't take long. You know, it's just one of those, it's, you know, it's inconvenient to do because of the counter being in the way and having to precariously hang on one foot from one end of the window to the other, trying to not step on the counter, the one that I built, this one right here, because otherwise it could collapse. So yeah, it's not an easy thing to do. Let's just put it that way. It required gymnastics. But it looks so much better, doesn't it? It looks so much better. It's stupid, right? Anyway, I'm done. I already edited the video you're going to see on Sunday, and I'm going to start editing this video you're going to see Monday. I'm waiting for Scott to come back to do a haul for the grocery shopping that he's doing right now at the Aldi. So it's going to be Tuesday video, and then I don't know. But in the meantime, after I'm done editing this, I'm definitely going downstairs and quilt. So maybe I'll show you a little bit of the quilting later on after the whole video, or maybe at the end of this video. I'm not sure. I'll see. Until then, I'll talk to you later. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I did right here with the 2 frames. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for watching, you guys. Wait, I'm not done. Yesterday, some of you have asked about the lipstick I was wearing, and I couldn't remember, but now I have it right here. It's the number 423 Pink Velvet by Revlon. Like this. Okay, I like it. It's a nice color. Okay, that's it. Bye.